So hello everyone. Today I am going to present about paper number 109, literary theory and criticism and Indian aesthetics. So my topic is the hero is archetypal characters. Characters. Next. So broadly, a hero is a main character in literature. The hero character possess a great of admirable qualities and be forced of overcome obstacles in the course of the story. Archetypes fall into two major categories: characters, situation symbols. It is essential to understand them with the help of example. Listed below are some of the most common archetypes in each category. Next. So, what is archetypes? The word archetypes derive from Latin words which translate to the pattern model type. Archetypes is originally model which other things are similarity pattern after. Archetypes are basic building block or creating a story and characters. In archetypes can be in image, story, patterns, characters type, setting, theme, or idea. A term used to describe a universal symbol to evoke deep and sometimes unconscious response in a reader. Characters, image, and themes that symbolically embody universal meaning and basic human experience, regardless of when or where they live or consider archetypes. Common literary archetypes include story, quotes, intonation, outcast, discount to underworld, and ascent to heaven. Next. So here is a common characters archetypes: the hero, the outcast, the spagots. Next, the star-crossed lover, a mantro, a temptress. Next, the archetypal hero. So can either be a male or female. In Western literature, the hero is usually male. So usually is superior than common people in their ways. Three type of quality of hero in my slide. First one is a morally, second one is a mentally, and then third one is a physically. So morally means the hero holds a higher moral than he appoint. Second one is a mentally, the means her hero is smarter or more clever than the opponent. And the third one is physically, so the hero is strong than the opponent. Next, different types of heroes: the willing hero, the unwilling hero, uh, the loner hero, the tragic hero. So willing hero, the willing to undertake any great categories, puts his needs aside to help others. The unwilling hero is a default passive, unwilling by to being the journey. Third one is the loner hero, so able to opposition alone. And fourth one is a tragic hero, so have a tragic flow which hurt them into the end. Next. So six types of hero in literature. First one is the everyman hero. So everyman hero is are ordinary people without any apparent hero qualities or characteristic. They are underdogs placed in extraordinary circumstances that force them to act heroically. So though lacking inherent heroic qualities, everyman characters type often have a strong moral compass and act with extreme selflessness. So reader can easily relate to this type of heroes due their extraordinary nature. So one example of entertainment movie in this movie also Akshay Kumar hero. So this hero is saved two dogs and he was he was a very selfish. But after last movie, hero and villain also emotionally and he saved to a dog and love to each other. Next. Second one is a classical hero. So a classical hero is a character who possess a great talent or ability that separates them from the rest or their contemporaries. This could be a skill such as the ability to fight, or it could be in a internal quality such as a brave or cleverness. Usually, these hero types appear normal on the surface until their powers begin to relieve themselves, such as when Harry Potter learns in he is a wizard with a this hero archetype is represented in Star Wars. Luck, the extraordinary power of the Force. Next. So third one is epic hero. Popular in Greek mythology, epic heroes possess other worldly heroic qualities. These main characters usually come from noble birth and reviewed as legendary due to their seemingly superhuman capabilities and heroic deeds. Example of hero in this tradition of King Uther and superheroes like Superman and Flying Jet. Next. So fourth one is a tragic hero. A tragic hero is a hero who possesses a fatal flaw or make in error in judgment that ultimately leads to their downfall. Tragic hero evoke a feeling of fear, of pity in the audience as the witness their protagonist ultimate demise. Perhaps to most well-known example of a tragic hero is Oedipus, whose a tragic flaw in his excessive pride, which leads him to unwittingly kill his father and marry his mother. In William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, Romeo's fatal flaw is his un, uncertain passion and emotionally impulsiveness, which ideas to his own death and the death of Juliet. And Berthus from Shakespeare also represent of Julius Caesar. So he's able to be manipulated into killing Caesars because of his overwhelming loyalty to his country. Next. The fifth one is anti-hero. So anti-hero does not possess traditionally hero qualities. In fact, they have qualities that seem more befitting of a villain, such the honesty, greed, or general immorality. The anti-hero struggle to overcome or recognize these morally dubious qualities, make them relatable to in audience, emphasizing a very human conflict between right and wrong that we all experience. The example of the Great Gatsby as in economic anti-hero in Jack Gatsby, who is rise from poverty was accomplished through involvement in organized crime and theft. Next. Sixth one. Next. Yes, sixth one is a Byronic hero. The Byronic hero in archetype codified by English romantic poet Lord Byron is knowing for being a prickly saloon and inscrutable on the outside. While processing a rich inner life under the surface, these heroes are often profoundly flawed and wondered, but nonetheless process strong morals and passion. They composely question the beliefs and conversation of moral society, leading to their own social alienation. In Pride and Prejudice, Mr. Darcy is a Byronic hero and outcast.
It seems there is a network. Yes. Kishan, are you there?
Bhavyang, next. Yes. So, conclusion. In all mo- in all movies are also represented of so many heroic qualities. So, uh, all all qualities are also representative of archetypes, hero's character. So, in a main theme is all point of character of hero, center theme of hero in archetypes. Next, here is my references.